Alright, check this one out. It's the Armorer's Mandalorian Forge. I got this one for Christmas. It's a Lego.com exclusive. This is a great set to pick up with points. If you're a VIP, get your VIP points. Order sets like this that are only available online, and they don't cost you hardly anything. It ended up costing me $10. This is set number 75319. It's got 258 pieces. Comes with 3 minifigs. Comes with, of course, the Mandalorian. You also get the Armorer. You also got Paz Vizsla. He's the big Mandalorian, kind of oversized guy. He's got the big chest piece on here to make him look a little bit bigger. So that's cool. Cool figure lineup for this little set. A lot of cool little interior pieces to this set. That's looks like it's going to be kind of fun to build. So check it out. We got some fresh new tunes from Future Twist, and hope you enjoy the build. Check it out. Alright, there you have it for the Armorer's Mandalorian's Forge. Pretty cool set. Nice size, you know, just a kind of a sit down and bang out kind of a set. Pretty cool. It's got 3 awesome minifigs. You got the 2 exclusives, and I really like this fig right here. This the Armorer. She's really cool. She's got a really awesome helmet. Could have had a little bit more detail. Would have liked to have like a collar piece that she had. She had that fur collar. It was really cool, but it's printed on there. Looks really good. She's awesome. Got the Mandalorian, obviously, and he's got his jetpack, which is cool. You gotta have him with the jetpack. And then you got this guy Paz Vizsla, and he's the big guy that kind of razzed the Mandalorian a little bit. Hope you guys like the way I edited this video. It's pretty fun. I shot it all off of my phone, which is still photos, and just took a picture of setting the piece where it goes, and then take a picture after it's set. Kind of made a cool little effect with the music jammed through there. I thought it was kind of fun. Anyways, hope you like it. Add some comments if you got some suggestions of anything else I should try. Give me a like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.